Hey there, Supercoder! Today, we're doing something a little different. We're not just making a game. Nope. Today, we're going to draw our very own sprite. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to install something called the Scratch add-on. Just search Scratch add-on on Google, click Install, and boom, done! Now open Scratch, click on the extensions and search for onion skinning. Turn it on. Awesome! Next, let's import a picture. Any picture you want to trace and animate. Once it's there, click on the little mask icon on the right side. Now duplicate the sprite. Move the duplicate just a little, and wow, look! You can see a faint copy of the original. That's onion skinning working. This helps us draw on top and make smoother animation. Usually, when we import a sprite, changing it for animation is hard. But with drawing, it becomes super easy. Okay, now delete the duplicate. We're going to start drawing on top of the main sprite. I'm going to begin with the face. Pick a skin color you like, then draw a circle. And don't forget, we always add an outline. Here, I'm choosing a black outline with a thickness of 5. Now select the Reshape tool and adjust the shape so it matches the picture behind it. Slowly tweak it, and yes, it's looking perfect! So that's it, Supercoder! See you soon with another exciting game! Happy coding! Bye!